Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious yeast rolls. First, gather your ingredients, including 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 large egg. Having everything ready ensures a smooth baking process. Make sure your yeast is fresh and your milk is warm to the correct temperature, around 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, to activate the yeast properly. Now let's get our dough started. In a large bowl, combine the warm milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and the active dry yeast. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy, indicating the yeast is active. Then, stir in the melted butter, the egg, the salt, and about 2 cups of the flour. Gradually add the remaining flour, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. After kneading, it's time for the first rise. Lightly grease a large bowl, place your dough in it, and turn it once to coat all sides. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel and let it rise in a warm, draft-free spot for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Then, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and divide it into 12 equal portions, shaping each into a smooth, round roll. We're almost there. Place your shaped rolls into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking pan, leaving a little space between each. Cover the pan and let them rise for a second time in a warm place for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until they look puffy. While they're rising, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. Brush with melted butter immediately after baking for extra flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.